It was cool because at the same time, yeah, we were sort of doing that video production side for the private closed circuit stream in the dining commons. But at the end of the day, we got a pretty good looking video recording too.
We did.
So we recorded every single show for like private archival use, and it worked pretty well. Got to admit, I mean, 2 camera angles. I think we pulled in the real audio, if I'm not mistaken. At some point we did. But it turned out pretty good. So it was cool to kind of see how everything kind of came together. Impressed. It kind of showed how video, which was never really like a big thing in our era of Pentucket Tech. In previous eras of Pentucket Tech, there's been a lot of attention to detail paid over the years. Because the director of the theatrical tech program was a video production guy. But once we sort of got to like the later era of Pentucket Tech, the latest era of Pentucket Tech, we sort of had to start from the ground up because it was completely brand new people, brand new building too. Brand new building that we didn't really know what we were doing. So we sort of had to put together everything from the ground up in terms of, okay, we're going to use these cameras. We're going to use this software. We're going to go to this channel, that kind of stuff. We've put on some incredible productions, like live productions, both obviously sound. I mean, you know, we love our mixer with our Dante and everything like that.
Exactly.
When it works, obviously Dante is amazing, but sometimes it's not the most stable, even though we do our best. The video production stuff has been very, very interesting, though. We've put on some really incredible stuff for many different kinds of shows, all kinds. Really, I mean, we've been doing amazing video stuff.
I know. What can't we do?
But there's not much that we can't do. We do all kinds of cool video stuff. You know what I'd love to see at some point is if we did some kind of like live video remix thing in a show. And what I mean by that is like do some kind of visual effects or something like a Jumbotron type thing.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I feel like we could do something really cool with that. I don't know.
Or using some projections.
Yeah, I feel like we could project video at some point. That could be really cool. Once we get the auditorium back up and running, I don't know how that would fit into the current show lineup for the next year, but it would be kind of cool. It could be really cool. I feel like they could do some fun stuff with that. But we're sort of seeing this new development in video production in Pentucket Tech, and it's super, super cool to witness. Sort of everything kind of get re-looked at, and we're seeing newer, bigger, better things because of that.
Right.
We're taking a look at everything again. We're reviewing everything that we've done before, processes, events, everything. And we're giving it a breath of fresh air. So it's really cool to see how we're sort of taking video to the next level across so many boards. And I think we're really seeing the rewards of that because not everyone can necessarily make the shows. We aren't selling recordings to the shows or distributing them, but it's very, very helpful for the theatrical tech program and for the theater department as well.
Yeah.
To review those recordings, learn about what we could do better, that kind of a thing. It's great. It's a great rehearsal tool, that's for sure. But it gives people the chance to relive those moments and learn from what they did and put on bigger and brighter shows in the future, including a very, very bright show called Bright Star, which we're not going to talk about yet, but